Backing up Firefox is an essential step in protecting your browsing data and settings in case you need to reinstall the browser or restore your profile. To start, open Firefox and click on the menu button located in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Help, then Troubleshooting Information. In the Troubleshooting Information page, click on the Open Folder button next to the Profile Folder field. This will open the folder that contains all your Firefox profile data, including bookmarks, extensions, and browsing history. To back up your Firefox profile, simply copy the entire folder and paste it into a secure location, such as an external hard drive or cloud storage service. You can also use a third-party backup tool to automate the process. Another way to back up Firefox is by using the built-in sync feature. To do this, create a Firefox account and enable sync in the Firefox options. This will upload your browsing data to the Firefox servers, allowing you to access it from any device with an internet connection. It is also important to back up your Firefox extensions, as they may contain important data and settings. To do this, go to the Firefox Add-ons Manager and click on the three dots next to each extension. Then select Export. Best practice is to back up your Firefox profile regularly, ideally weekly or monthly, depending on how often you use the browser. This will ensure that your browsing data and settings are safe in case something goes wrong. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Firefox data is protected and easily recoverable in case of an emergency.